Hey everyone, so if you're curious on how you can transfer your DoorDash credits to your bank account, here is an explanation for you. So, unfortunately, DoorDash does not allow users to transfer credits directly to a bank account. So, credits earned or received in the DoorDash application are intended solely for use within the platform and cannot be cashed out for transferred elsewhere. So here is the explanation to all of your answers. I'm going to show you in here. So as you can see in here, this is how the credits work in your DoorDash application. So credits are issued, credits are available, and credits are applied. So that explains that you can only use the credits on your application within the application. So once credits are issued, they are applied to the account you used for your original order. So credits are available immediately and will automatically be applied to your next order, including tips. So keep in mind that only admins can apply credits to the group orders. Individuals may apply personal credits to expensed meal orders only. So if your team is on invoicing, please request a credit instead of a refund. So it will automatically apply to your next order. So if you have more questions, you can click on the contact support from the top right, and then you can email them, you can contact them and explain your issue to them. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.